what it do. It's your boy Birmingham Q, man. And I'm back with another video. Man, look, my distributor cap went out on the round body, you know, lt1. And this the old one. And I'm not ready to put the new one on. Yep. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when I finish up. Alright. Got the water pump on, crank pulley on. Yeah, it's going down. You know what I'm saying? It's over with. I'm gonna do nothing now but put that one bolt in, serpentine belt, hook the hoses up, fire in the hole, baby. Yes, sir. I got my hoses hooked back up. But I ran into a problem. I knew it was gonna be a problem. This the bolt out the crank pulley. Y'all see it's bent, right? Alright. And this the other bolt that goes in the harmonic balancer. It's rounded off and it would not go back in. Yeah. So I got two of them on the way. Shout out to my boy Rick. You know what I'm talking about? Yes, sir. And we got the Chevy running. Yes, sir. Oh.